resin's all gone off. Let's put on the lathe and finish it off. There you go folks, all done. Nice little beach bowl with the quote around the top. Had a slight issue with the lettering. As I set the resin into it, the letters moved a little bit. As you can see, the H and the O moved a little bit. But no, we'll learn from that one. I had the idea for this a few weeks ago when I was looking on the internet at all the different quote plaques that people do. So I thought it'd be nice to incorporate it into a bowl. So that's why I came up with the idea. As you see, the sequence I went through is I turned it to a basic shape, then we sanded 150 through to 400. Then we sand and sealed it, and sanded it then through to 800 to give it a smooth finish. Then a coat of Yorkshire grit, and then a coat of friction polish to give it a shine. On the resin part, I sanded through and then went through with the micro mesh to give it the shine on the lettering. So yeah, I'm quite happy how it's pleased there. I'm a little bit disappointed that the letter's moved, but I can't do nothing about that now. I'll just have to make sure next time that I'll make sure they're glued down a little bit better. So I apologise that it was through 2 weeks, but unfortunately I ran out of time before I went on holiday, hence why I had to put it over 2 weeks. So that's why I'll try to get it done as soon as I come back. While I was on holiday, I messaged a couple of guys on Instagram to ask a little bit of advice really on how to grow the channel, and I'd like to thank Paul from Sharpie's Wood Workshop. I spoke to Paul and he was great. He helped me with, he gave me some really good advice, and I appreciate him for sharing that, and the words of wisdom, you know, outstanding. And the other guy is Andy from Andy Phillips 67. I spoke to Andy as well, and he gave me some good advice as well, so I appreciate both of those sharing the advice, and I appreciate that they spoke to me, because obviously some people won't. So no, thanks to those, and it's obviously worked because the channel over the last week has grown really well, and the new subscribers, I am so grateful that you want to watch what I do, and I hope I keep you entertained. So I appreciate all my subscribers, new and old, and you overwhelm me with the support you send me. The comments are great, keep them coming. If anybody wants to see me do something specific or has an idea that they want me to make something, I'm always up for a challenge. So, you know guys, message me and we'll see what we can come up with. So I hope you enjoyed this, and like I say, I apologise it was over 2 weeks. I'll put some stills up at the end, because the camera doesn't really do it justice, so I'll stick some stills up. To all my new and existing subscribers, thank you very much. For all the guys who are watching who haven't subscribed, please do. If you like, please like, and please share. Let's get us out there. So that's the project for this week, a brand new project for next week, and I want everybody to have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.